is horrible.
Alright.
Why does anyone ever drink that?
Because you can't taste the
Take
coffee
two.
in that.
A mocha.
Yeah, it's definitely better. That's kind of like hot chocolate. It's a little better, but still not good.
Washing it down. I'm filming.
Well, this is the first train that I'm on. I was very excited. You can get a tour of the train if you want. Look at it. We asked them for their permission to be in the video, by the way. All these people, we asked their permission. Yeah, this is a train, and we're going to be going to the city. It's actually called the city. It's not called a different name. It's called the city. Doesn't make sense, but you know,
It makes
Australia.
sense. Look, he got food all over his mouth. You already had food. They like scared. This is them fighting over who's gonna steal my food.
Yeah.
God, I hate their eyes.
Yeah, they look very weird. Such a cute little pet.
I hate it.
I got my pet. Got a little duck. Look at my little duck.
At least yours is cute. This motherfucker wants to fight.
Oh, you guys are so cute.
Fans are gonna love this. This is great content. Great content.
Where are you going? You
Standing
just finished
behind
1,000 steps. You gotta be excited. Look at all the people.
Barely made it. I barely made it.
And lastly, I'm gonna leave you guys with some amazing pictures. Just to summarize this entire thing. And not a lot of pictures, but you know, just some nice pictures in the background and some really bad music. Okay? So, see you later.